How to make raisins dance.
Dancing raisins!
Dancing with the raisins!
Dancing with the raisins! Raisins! Come on. We're going to show you how to make dancing raisins so you can play too.
This is what you need to make dancing raisins.
You need any type of clear fizzy drink, a glass, and you need raisins.
First, you're gonna open the bottle and you're gonna put it halfway into the glass.
Any liquid that's bubbly is called carbonated.
Carbonated means that a certain type of gas was pushed into the liquid. As the gas comes out, it makes bubbles that float up to the top.
After that, you take your 2 smallest raisins that you can find, and you can drop them into your fizzy drink.
The bubbles attach themselves to the raisins and float it up to the surface.
When the bubbles pop, the raisins sink back down to the bottom.
And they're going up and down.
They're floating at the surface, and I'm waiting for them to pop.
I made backgrounds so my raisins can dance on the stage. Rockets.
Or you can dance like a raisin! Up and down,
up and down, up and down,
up and
down, and up and down.
Catch the bubbles up